another offer. So this student, I think she got this last week, but let me tell you about her story. She was actually like a stay-at-home mom who had in and out jobs, came to road to QA, landed her first one from Upwork, and it was like a contract for only 3 months, and they extended her for over a year, and now she's going into her second year. They don't mind if she work another role. So could she do a direct hire? Yeah, but who she's working with is working, right, for her. She just landed another one, and the role is slightly, the pay isn't higher, but it's still money. It's still her experience. She's still growing her experience, and this company allows you to grow with them. So now that's $30 an hour plus $26 an hour is $56 an hour. But now she's going to have all this experience where she can continue to skill up, you guys. It only takes that one. Let's congratulate her. Congratulations.